Ever felt like wrestling a stubborn giant? That's pretty much what installing Oracle 10 grams on a modern Ubuntu system feels like. But don't worry, we'll tame this beast together. First things first, download the Oracle 10 grams installation files from the Oracle website. Remember, you'll need an Oracle account for this once downloaded. Extract the zipped files into a directory of your choosing. I would recommend creating a folder in your home directory. Next, open a terminal window. Start navigating to the directory where the Oracle installation files were extracted. You will use the change directory command followed by the path where your files are located to do this. Now, to make the RunInstaller executable, use the change mode command. Type mod plus x RunInstaller. Here is where we may run into our first error: compatibility. We may need to perform workarounds to install the 10 grams. It is an older version of Oracle, and incompatibility with Ubuntu can cause the installation to fail. A very common issue is a Java version incompatibility. Oracle 10 grams expects an older version of Java. To resolve this, download an older Java development kit, such as JDK version 15 or 16. Then set the JAV_HO environment variable to point to the directory containing the older JDK. To set the JAV_HO environment, open your Bashir file with a text editor. Add the line export java_home equals /path/to/your/JDK, replacing path to your JDK with the actual path to your older JDK installation, and run the command source ~bashir. After that, we can proceed to try to run it again. With the Java issue sorted, run the installer with sudo privileges. Again, sudo RunInstaller. The Oracle Universal Installer will launch. The next steps are relatively straightforward. Follow the on-screen prompts, choosing the installation type, database options, and specifying the installation directory. Be very careful, because these options influence how you connect to the database and the resources it consumes. Finally, once the installation completes, verify that the Oracle database is running correctly by connecting to it using SQL+, and with that, you've successfully installed Oracle 10 grams on Ubuntu. Remember the specific challenges related to legacy software, and always consult the Oracle documentation for detailed information. Give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials.